Building and managing an investment portfolio is a dynamic process that serves as the cornerstone of financial growth and security. At its core, an investment portfolio is a carefully curated collection of assets designed to help you achieve your financial goals, whether that's saving for retirement, funding a child's education, or building long-term wealth. The key to success lies in understanding your objectives, assessing your risk tolerance, and crafting a strategy that balances risk and reward. Without a clear plan, even the most promising investments can lead to uncertainty and missed opportunities. The first step is to define your goals and time horizon. Are you investing for the short term, perhaps to buy a home or take a dream vacation? Or are you focused on long-term objectives, like retirement or generational wealth? Short-term goals typically call for safer, more liquid investments, such as bonds or money market funds, while long-term goals may allow for higher risk, higher reward options like stocks or real estate. Your time horizon will shape the foundation of your portfolio and guide your decision-making process. Once your goals are clear, the next step is diversification, a fundamental principle of investing. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographic regions to reduce risk and enhance stability. A well-diversified portfolio might include a mix of stocks for growth potential, bonds for steady income, real estate for tangible assets, and alternative investments like commodities or cryptocurrencies for added variety. The idea is to avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. If one investment underperforms, others can help offset the loss. However, diversification isn't just about quantity, it's about quality. Each asset should align with your overall strategy and contribute to your financial objectives. Understanding your risk tolerance is another critical factor in building a successful portfolio. Risk tolerance reflects your ability and willingness to endure market fluctuations, and it varies from person to person. Younger investors with longer time horizons may feel comfortable taking on more risk, knowing they have time to recover from potential losses. On the other hand, those nearing retirement or with lower risk tolerance may prioritize capital preservation and opt for more conservative investments, such as bonds or dividend-paying stocks. Striking the right balance between risk and reward is essential to creating a portfolio that works for you. Managing your portfolio doesn't end once it's built, it requires ongoing attention and adjustments. Over time, market movements can shift your portfolio's allocation, causing it to drift away from your original strategy. For example, if stocks outperform bonds, your portfolio may become too heavily weighted in equities, increasing your risk exposure. Rebalancing, the process of buying and selling assets to restore your desired allocation, ensures that your portfolio stays aligned with your goals. This disciplined approach helps you maintain control and avoid emotional decision-making during periods of market volatility. While staying informed about market trends and economic developments is important, it's equally crucial to avoid overreacting to short-term fluctuations. The financial markets are inherently unpredictable, and knee-jerk reactions to daily ups and downs can derail your long-term strategy. Successful investors focus on the bigger picture, trusting that a well-constructed portfolio will weather market storms over time. Patience and discipline are your greatest allies in the world of investing. For those who feel overwhelmed by the complexities of portfolio management, seeking professional advice can be a wise decision. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance, help you navigate market uncertainties, and ensure that your investments are optimized for your unique circumstances. Whether you choose to manage your portfolio independently or with professional support, the key is to stay proactive and adaptable. Your financial goals and life circumstances will evolve over time, and your portfolio should evolve with them. In the end, an investment portfolio is more than just a collection of assets, it's a reflection of your aspirations, values, and commitment to financial well-being. By defining your goals, diversifying your investments, and staying disciplined in your approach, you can create a portfolio that not only grows your wealth but also provides peace of mind. Investing is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to realizing your financial dreams. Start today, and let your portfolio work for you.